Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to fill in the details in table 6a, that is export invoices. Click onto the table first, then add invoice. Well, the red color dot indicates mandatory fields. So the other fields are not mandatory without the red color dot. So if you see the code and shipping bill number, they are not mandatory and the rest are all mandatory details. Well, the GST payment has two options, with payment of tax and without payment of tax. Let me give a briefing about this. All exporters, if they want to get zero rate on their exports, they have to fill the necessary details to their jurisdictional commissioner. And the jurisdictional commissioner, after scrutiny, will give his acceptance for the exporter to carry on export at zero rate. So, the particular jurisdictional commissioner may ask for a letter of undertaking or bond depending upon the case. So, in such kind of cases, the exporter, after getting the consent from the jurisdictional commissioner, need not levy integrated tax, and the exporters are, and those exports are only zero rated exports. So in such case, the exports are without payment of tax. And if that particular detail is not being furnished to the commissioner, then in that case, tax has to be levied and the particular detail to be selected is with payment of tax. Now understand an important fact that all exports are only interstate supplies. So, integrated tax only could be levied, not CGST and ISGST. Only IGST could be levied. After understanding this point, let us go back to the other fields. The first is invoice number. The export invoice number has to be filled in this particular field. The next is invoice date. It has to be filled in the specified format DD, MM, YYYY. So before filling in this detail, just check out the format in your computer. The next is port code. It is not a mandatory field, but port code is a 6-digit code. For example, if you are exporting from Chennai, then you have to fill the port code for Chennai. You can get the details of the port code from GST portal. The next is shipping bill number. It is not a mandatory field once again, and at the time of filing this GSTR1, if the taxpayer does not have any shipping bill number, then it is not mandatory to fill this field. He can leave it, and in the subsequent months when they receive it, they can fill the shipping bill details. Then the next one is total invoice value. Before filling in this field, the taxpayer has to be really cautious because taxable value and invoice value are not always the same. For example, if the value of goods is 100 rupees and the integrated tax is 18 rupees, the total value is 118 rupees. Now, 100 rupees is the taxable value, 18 rupees is the integrated tax, and 118 rupees will be the total invoice value. What in the case of zero rated supply? The taxable value will be 100. There will be no integrated tax. So the tax will be 0 and the total invoice value will be again 100. Now, taxable value we understood. Let's come to the rates. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rates. So, when the exports are not zero rated and when they are subjected to integrated tax, that is IGST, then all these columns, the corresponding columns must be filled. This 0%, it is in the case of exempted goods, and this 0.25%, it is in the case of uncut diamonds, and this 3% for gold jewelry, and 5, 12, 18, 28 depending upon the nature of goods supplied. And you have to fill the corresponding taxable value of the goods against a specified rate in your invoice, found in your invoice. And this integrated tax will be auto-filled. Now come to the next point. Save this, and then you will get save this, and that's enough.